Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying permissions and locating the lock. Do this now. Open SM12 and filter by table, user, or lock owner so you see only relevant entries. Once you have that list, select a single lock and review the enqueue key and transaction ID to confirm it matches the stalled process. Make sure to document the lock details and the owning user before acting, since undoing a lock affects running transactions and can cause rolled back changes. Once you see the lock, analyze why it persists. Check SD22 for dumps and SM21 for system messages to understand causes. If the owning user is idle or the session is gone, delete the specific lock entry in SM12. Choose precise entries, not mass deletes. If the transaction is active, contact the user to end it or prepare to terminate the session in SM04/AL08. Make sure to rerun the operation that failed to confirm the lock removal, fix the issue. To finish, confirm the lock is gone by refreshing SM12 and retry the operation immediately to verify success. If the lock still appears, inspect the enqueue server and consider an enqueue restart or application server bounce after scheduling downtime, because stubborn locks often mean enqueue server issues. Make sure to document all actions and notify affected users. This prevents repeat problems and provides an audit trail. If something breaks during removal, restore from backup only as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.